All right, guys, we are now at the Old Town Bridge.
In Vietnam,
Yeah?
Vietnam we say this love bridge.
Love Bridge,
Yeah,
because like people in love, right?
yeah.
And they
So
come here.
You come into this bridge, you have a love.
And you must have like a kiss and give her the ring.
Yeah, sometimes people like this. Yeah, sometimes people do this. Yeah.
This is the Old Town Love Bridge.
Vietnam we say this love bridge. Vietnamese people say love bridge. You can search in the internet and you can see love bridge.
Love bridge.
In Czech, and you can see this. You see?
Wow, that looks like
We can
Fort. Yeah, bit of a walk there, but I guess it should be okay to walk up. All right, so we are on the Old Town Bridge. You can see in the background the huge castle up there.
Yeah, what it do, baby?
These guys here playing music with their CD. So check out the castle up there, guys. Prague vibes.
And in the summer you can walking for the island.
The island over here?
No.
Oh, over there. Yeah. And now you can. People are walking over there. You just take the bridge and I think you can walk there. Maybe later. All right. So, seen some of the vibes here in Prague City. Looks really awesome. Praha, as they say. English Prague. Alright, we're going to try and make our way up to the big castle on the hill that we saw earlier. Alright guys, we are heading up to the castle. We've got to walk up, I think, about 300 or 400 stairs. We've already walked, I think, about 4 or 5 Ks from the Old Town Square. And we're about to walk up these stairs so we can head to the castle, the biggest castle here in Czech, sitting on this hill. So let's take a stroll up. Guys, we have made it at the top of the stairs. You can see the view of Prague City, the river down there, and we're now up at the entranceway of the castle this way. But look at that view, pretty awesome view. Let's come over this side. Just a bit of rain with a mix of cold chill, winter vibes here in Prague. Anyway, good exercise. Just like walking the hucks back in Naruawa here. Alright guys, we are up at the Prague Castle complex. This complex is made up of a whole bunch of different buildings mixed with some of the old style Baroque architecture. As you can see, check out the figurines up there. The Roman symbolism, Catholic, so much Catholic symbolism up there. So this is the Schwarzenberg Palace. Schwarzenberg Palace. Looks like a palace for the Queen. the Queen of Czech. Right, so basically what he's saying is that this is Roman Catholic and that it's very old and that you shouldn't smoke inside it. No, I don't know what he's saying, but it does look very intricate. Not bad. Shall walk back down and try and find something to eat. What is the name of the dessert? Ice cream and...
Trdelnik ice cream.
Okay.
Just cake with ice cream.
Yeah, cake with ice cream.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Prague Castle. But look at that, guys. Beautiful vibes of Prague city. All right, guys, looks like we are walking down about another 300 or so stairs.
I'm feeling good. Do us easy love, man. Hobbies in the blues. Feeling good.
Okay, guys, we are going to buy one of these delicacies here in the shop. Trdelnik. This is where they make the Trdelnik. It's like a bread, and then you put ice cream or fruit in it. You can see all the toppings and that over there. So we're going to buy one of these. I'm going to grab the wild forest and the strawberry one. We're going to check out those ones. All right, guys, we're going to try this Trdelnik. It's the strawberry with the forest fruits and a bit of peppermint cream and like a bread from this place here. And which is right next to the Prague town bridge. So let's have a bit of a bite of this and check it out. Now we're going to eat the bread. Let's have a bit of that bread and see what it's like. Very tasty with the cream and the sauces. This one was about like €4, which is around, I think, $6 New Zealand, maybe $7 or $8. The best in Prague. So this is the shop to come to, guys. Trdelnik. I think that's how you say it. Let's eat that peppermint. It's like a bun. And inside the bun is whipped cream and fruits. All sorts of fruits like blueberries, blackberries, strawberries. Wow. Anyway, guys, we are going to leave it at that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll see you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys. Be happy.